Brian, in the mid-market, who is the likely buyer of the assets when you dispose of them, when the fund gets rid of them? Who's your target buyer? Who do you think is going to be the most active buyer in this space?
Yeah, what we love to do is try to buy in the middle market and then exit up market if we can. So let's say we put 10 to 15 million dollars into a project. We typically are trying to get close to a 2x multiple on our investment. So if we do our jobs correctly and we're able to enhance the value, what we hope is what was a 10 to 15 million dollar equity check for us becomes a 20 to 30 million dollar equity check for the next buyer. And then that asset then puts it in that sphere where those 500 million plus private equity funds and more institutional owner groups and REITs and the lower cost of capital buying community can participate.
Great. So in a way, the mid-market space, there's almost a transitional movement that you're involved in, which is getting individual assets one at a time from non-real estate owners, small investors, syndicated investment groups, taking that over, applying a more professional and institutional approach to that asset in terms of what you're doing with it, the data you can apply, um, getting that value stabilized in the asset over 2 or 3 years, and then selling it hopefully to a more sophisticated buyer who's one of probably an institutional player or one of the larger funds who then takes it up at a much bigger exit price. Have I summarized that correctly? Is that the thinking?
Yeah, no, exactly. Look, we don't like to buy cash flow. So we like to find underutilized properties, institutionalize them, execute the capital improvement plans, do the work necessary to stabilize the property, maximize the rents. And then we like to deliver an institutional quality asset on exit that has healthy cash flow and yield for a more institutional owner.